Hey, what is up guys, welcome to my channel and this is Raghavendra here. Today we'll see how to keep the Mac keyboard or any other keyboard and mouse look brand new. I'm sure you'll always be thinking about cleaning it up, but at the same time you will be looking for a better liquid which not only cleans but also keeps it fresh. So I'll let you know how you can go ahead and make your keyboard or mouse look brand new today. As you can see that my keyboard is ridiculously dusty, so for that I found a solution, and that is Opal Astringent. I know it's a beauty product for the skin to escape from blemishes, however, believe me, this works like a charm. Let's go ahead and use the Opal and see how it works. Before that, let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video from Opal. This is just to tell you guys how easily you can go ahead and clean your keyboard and make it new. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's go ahead and use this Opal and see how it exactly works and whether this will be able to clean up the mess on my keyboard. Here I'm gonna use microfiber cloth. You can use any cloth for that matter. You can also use a cotton, and take the Opal and pour some drops onto the microfiber cloth, and before you start wiping it up with the microfiber, suggest you guys to remove the battery or disconnect from your Mac. So now let's go ahead and wipe up the stained keyboard. Now let's go ahead and start wiping the keyboard from one side to another. Let's be very gentle while wiping the keyboard. Don't damage the keys on your keyboard while wiping it. Now you can see it's already showing an effect. It's cleaning up so well. This is the moment of truth. Now you can see it's looking like a brand new Apple keyboard. Alright, so this is it. This is what was expected and this is what the result is. And I hope you guys will be able to make use of this Opal Astringent on your keyboard and mouse and make it look new. I hope you liked this video, and if you have liked it, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for many more. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.